The rains have been able to fill up most of the water sources like the Mo Plung Dam, which is the prominent reservoir supplying drinking water to Shillong city. PHE Minister Marquis Marak on Tuesday acknowledged due to activities like sand mining and stone quarrying, it is the reason why our catchment areas are getting affected. Drying up of Mo Plung Dam immediately put the PHE department and the Meghalaya government on their toes to find a short and long-term solution. He added that experts are looking into what are the options or alternative sources of livelihood for these people.
And also for their livelihood. So government is of the view that if we can give them alternative livelihoods, and then so that they won't depend on the sand mining area in the sources of the rivers where we are depending for the drinking water. Experts are looking into it, what kind of a livelihood will be, chalked out for that. And once it is completed, it will come for the consideration. We will take accordingly the decision. There are sand mining, quarrying of stones. These are the reasons why we are getting affected. Our sources are getting affected.